Hi random people watching this video. I'm just going to show you how to draw a bird. So, you know what, I was going to change my mind. So, first, you do this. Make it speak with the head on it. Be very careful. You know what? Screw it. First, you make a base like all the pros do. And you make a top layer. And do its beak. Don't draw a line for the beak, because that's just wrong. Then the center of your thing, do that. See the head? So and make its body kind of round. I'm just gonna add a little scarf to it. Even though it's summer, I just love putting scarves on my characters. This isn't my character. It's just a random bird. You see this line here? That's a guideline. And then do this. Make the wings. Just make them kind of spiky. That's what I do. And then you draw the feet like this. I mean, that's how I draw bird feet, because I suck at drawing, so. And then this crappy bird drawing, well, the outline of it is good, I guess, so. Then you want to add 2 layers on the bottom and use the topper layer that's under the outline to color your bird. And you might want to change the background a little bit. This is going to make it a little dark. And then I just colored the bird. This is a nasty looking orange, so I'm just going to change it and color the bird. Like, you don't have to care if you do this. Like, make sure it's not like this, but you could go outside the lines a little bit. Then it looks like it's professionally drawn. No, I'm just kidding. Just makes it look even crappier. Now, if you make a mistake, you don't have to worry about erasing the outline because you're at another bottom layer of it. See? That's the color layer for your bird. And yeah. And if you make a mistake, there's the undo button and redo button. So this is an app called Sketch with a rainbow thing on it. And it's an app for Samsung phones, devices, I guess. I don't know, I'm stupid. And yeah. And you could just use the fill-in tool for it. And Yeah. I'm just gonna make the scarf blue. Oh my god. And make it a little bit of a really light gray. And yeah. Then on the bottom layer, you're gonna use the same color for it. And fill that in. I want to die. And you could add a snowman to the background of like a lighter color. A lighter shade of white. And oh my god. I'm gonna have to hurry this up because I gotta sleep soon. And just grab a darker shade. Snowman's scary. And fill that in. And give it a carrot nose or a turnip nose or something. And you want the color darker, you just bring the thing down a little. And then give it a little shine to its eyes. I mean, this snowman sucks. And then you're just gonna add some white dots everywhere. Random places. Dark places, dark places. To kill myself. Like that. And I'm not even trying on this, okay? So don't say, like, I honestly don't care if you give me any hate on this, because I don't try. Not one bit. Okay. Then you do the shadowing on your bird. I love birds. I have a zebra finch. Very, very nice bird. My hamster bit me the day before it died. But at least I got to hold it. And, then, yeah, you just do the shading on it. And I gotta go. So, yeah, just do its shading. And I hope you like this tutorial. Actually, I don't hope you like this tutorial because it sucks. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.